So, meron tayong variables sa left and then sa right. So, ang goal natin dito, kung paano isolve to, is ilipat natin yung mga variables sa left side at yung numbers sa right side. Hello students! Welcome back sa ating channel. In part 1, natutunan natin how to solve simple linear equations. Ngayon, sa part 2, we're going to solve linear equations with variables on both sides. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong variable sa left at saka sa right side. Like for example, we have here 2x plus 3 equals x plus 7. So, meron tayong variables sa left and then sa right. So, ang goal natin dito, kung paano isolve to, is ilipat natin yung mga variables sa left side at yung numbers sa right side. Or vice versa. Pwede yung variable sa right side, yung number sa left side. Pwede rin po yun. Okay? So, first example, we have here 2x plus 3 equals x plus 7. So, meron tayong 2 steps na gagawin dito. So, tignan natin yung equation. Meron tayong variable here sa left side and sa right side. So, kailangan nating ilipat to dito. Okay? Paano ba natin gagawin yan? Magsusubtract tayo ng x from both sides. So, ima-minus natin ang x, or rather x on both sides. So, 2x minus x is x. Bring down natin yung 3. Cancel out. Equals 7. Okay? So, next step is tatanggalin natin itong 3. Paano ba natin gagawin yan? Ito yung next step. Isusubtract natin ng 3 from both sides. So, subtract 3 from both sides. Minus 3. Minus 3. So, magka-cancel out yan. Bring down x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. Yun na yung sagot natin. Okay? Now, let's proceed to the next example. Example number 2, 3x minus 5 equals x plus 1. So, ano ba yung gagawin natin dito? First step is subtract x from both sides. Ima-minus natin yung x from both sides para matanggal natin to. Yung x na yan. So, paano ba natin gagawin? Ima-minus natin ng x. Minus natin ng x. So, cancel na natin yan. So, 3x minus x is 2x. Minus 5, i-bring down lang natin. Equals 1. Okay? So, ano yung next step na gagawin natin? Yung next step is add 5 to both sides. Tatanggalin natin to. So, paano ba natin tatanggalin yan? Mag-a-add tayo ng 5 sa both sides. Plus 5. Plus 5. Cancel yan. So, 2x equals 6. Okay? So, ang next step natin is tatanggalin natin itong 2. Ano ba natin tatanggalin itong 2? So, i-divide natin siya both sides by 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. So, cancel out. So, x is equal to 6 over 2 is actually 3. So, yan yung answer natin. Alright? Isa pang example para mas malinaw. Example number 3, 5x plus 2 equals 3x plus 10. As you can see here, sa right side, meron tayong 3x. So, tatanggalin natin yan. Okay? So, paano ba natin tatanggalin yan? Isusubtract natin ang x from both sides. Minus x from both sides. So, kung nasan yung x sa left side, doon natin isubtract. Minus 3x minus 3x. So, this cancel out. So, 5x minus 3x is 2x. Bring down natin yung 2 equals 10. Next is, tatanggalin natin itong 2. Paano ba natin gagawin yan? Subtract 2 from both sides. So, minus 2, minus 2. So, cancel out. So, 2x equals 8. Ngayon, yung variable may number 2. Tatanggalin natin yan. Paano ba? Yun yung step 3. I-divide natin both sides by 2. Divide natin both sides by 2. Cancel. Therefore, x is equal to 8 over 2. That is actually 4. So, yan yung answer natin. Alright? At yung susunod ay quick practice question. Solve for x minus 1 equals 2x plus 5. So, kayo naman ang gagawa. So, after nyo gawin, drop your answer in the comments. Okay? So, that's it for today. So, sa susunod nating video ay magsasolve naman tayo ng linear equations na may parenthesis at fractions. Okay? Sa part 3. So, kung may natutunan kayo sa video na to, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay? So, that's it for now. Thank you and see you sa part 3. Bye!